Hi ladies, this is Vani once again, and today I'm going to teach you three different kind of mask made out of papaya. So papaya is going to be our hero, as we know that papaya has a lot of good health benefits. It's good for your skin, it's good for your hair, it has a rich vitamin C in it, and it has a peptide enzyme in it which helps reduce your impurities, and it has a great moisturizer, good for your acne skin, good for eczema, good for dark circle. So a lot of good benefits, and I'm going to tell three different kind of masks using papaya, and I hope you like it. Thank you.